Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. So today's top tip is how to ensure that your eggs are nice and fresh. So we're going to put 2 minutes on the clock. So let's go. So we've got 6 eggs here and 3 bowls of water. And I'm going to show you how to make sure that you know that your eggs are nice and fresh without actually breaking an egg. So these 2 we're going to pop in the water. And as you can see, they've sunk to the bottom and they're flat to the bottom. So what that means is they're nice and fresh. And the second pair, I'm going to pop them in, and they're actually standing up. You can see they're actually standing up, one end. That means that they're still good to use, but you should be using them pretty soon. And then the last pair of eggs, and as you can see, these are floating to the top. That means that these are no good and these should not be used in your cake decorating. Now the reason why this happens is because the eggs have a little air pocket in them, and as the egg matures, the air pocket gets bigger. So the more mature the egg is, i.e. the older it is, the more air will be inside the egg, hence it's going to float. So these ones need to be binned, these ones need to be used fairly soon, and these ones are nice and fresh. Stop the clock. Hopefully that's 2 minutes. Hope you've enjoyed this week's top tip. Join us next time on 2 Minute Tuesday for top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.